US has just opened up and it is going bonkers. So this sold position here I used with £200, 0.8 of a lot, £240 that I took on yesterday at 2:30, 26. We're now on 27th. It's just gone past 2:30. US opens here at 2:30 GMT. And that £200 is now £1,100. That's pretty good going. So we've got a new support level here. Let's just move that there. So it bounced hard off 1831, and as you can see on the DMS, which is this, a little bit way to go, or we could be just heading back up here for bounce or coming across. I mean, who really knows? But it is always a good idea to put a stop loss in here. So we've got stop loss at just above the 21 moving average, which is the white line, and that would give me a profit of 941. That's profit out of £200, which is not bad at all. Or maybe I just close it, but the session's just opened. Question is it going down there? So what I do is let's just go and look at the 1 hour time frame. So that was the 1 minute. So let's just zoom in. So here, so we've broken past this. You see that blue line of a Donchan here. That was a previous support, so we've broken that support. So, and then if you look at here, see the signal just went up here. So this is a nice 1 hour downtrend because the red is up here, the green is down here. So that's a downtrend that goes on the white. It's a signal line going up to here. So it stopped and turned around, lost its power. But here, if you look at this, it seems like there's a long way for this to go if this was to go here, but the distance between these two is very large. So that's up to 1200 now. So I'm actually going to leave this running because, you know, my stop loss is at 941 in case it all goes tits up. But what did I put this white line here? So let's see. Okay. So we've got another support level here. The Donchan's really good because it just shows you support level rather than you having to map it out. That's what I do. I just get a horizontal line, whack it on here. It's on this at the moment, this support line exactly. So it could bounce up, but that's an engulfing candle. So that's pretty strong. And how much time have we got left on this candle? Let's have a look. 8 minutes, 8.5 minutes. You know, it's possible. It's possible it could go down. I mean, it could be down here by the end of the day. So I'm going to leave that and we'll catch up at the end of the day.